Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to know privacy password in Realme. Unfortunately, there is no simple way to know your privacy password in Realme. The only thing to do it is by going to Settings and Privacy and Security. Go to More Privacy and Security, Privacy Password, change password, and you can select between 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Press this button while typing the new password to know what you are typing. You can also turn off the password by pressing this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.